Tasi.
Hello again, little learners. Today's letter is extra exciting. It's the excellent letter E. Say it with me. E, E. Here's uppercase E. E is the fifth letter of the alphabet. It's full of energy, and it's the first letter in so many exciting words. Here's lowercase e. E is for elephant. Egg wiggles and cracks with a smile. Eagle soars across the sky. Excited! Let's trace the letter E together. Ready? Use your finger in the air. Straight down. Then 3 lines across. 1 at the top, 1 in the middle, 1 at the bottom. That's uppercase E.
E is for elephant, big and kind. Eggs that wobble, what will we find? Eagle soaring high and free. Let's all shout, E, E, E! Plane!
Excellent work, friends! You explored the exciting letter E. Keep looking for E words all around you. And we'll see you next time for more alphabet adventures.